Douglas Cooling and Heating, serving the Birmingham area for 38 years. 988-3706. That's Douglas.
I'm James Spann. This is the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Thursday, the 11th of November. You know what that means? We are 2 days away from Storm Alert Extreme, the annual spotter training event we do. Now, again, if you watch these videos, more than likely you're in the loop. But if you know people that want to be a sky watcher, bring them down. We start at 9 o'clock Saturday morning at the BJCC. We'll be finished by 2. Of course, it doesn't cost anything. No need to register. Just show up. And if you come to our training, you get to go to the car show absolutely free, the Alabama International Auto Show. I'll be speaking, J.B. Elliott, Brian Peters. It's going to be a great day. So we'll see you there Saturday for Storm Alert Extreme. Another clear, cool morning. There's a look at downtown Birmingham, looking north from the Daniel Building. Down south, we'll go to Clanton, down in Chilton County. And in Lee County, looking at Auburn. Off in the distance, you can see Jordan-Hare Stadium, where Auburn will be hosting Georgia this Saturday. Check the water vapor satellite shot there, and you can see we've got some high clouds that came across yesterday, made for a gorgeous sky. Check the photographs on the blog from the sunset yesterday. That was fantastic. A big trough out west, but again, it's pretty clear and cool this morning. And again, the numbers, generally speaking, are well below guidance. Most of the models had us like at 43 or 44. Many spots are down there in the mid-30s, almost 10 degrees colder. Gadsden and Haleyville sitting at 36. Alexander City at 39. In Birmingham has been the case for the past week. The warm spot sitting at 43. And again, there's certainly the urban heat island effect, but often on a clear, calm morning, that observation typically runs colder, and we wonder if there's some data quality issues out there. We'll watch it in coming weeks and see. Around the nation, very cold in that trough out west. You can see a sharp cold front there running from Minneapolis-St. Paul down to about Amarillo, Texas, and awfully mild, muggy air sitting over Texas this morning. Here's the QPF chart. Expected rain for the next 5 days. The rainfall amount, by the way, this is valid through Monday evening of next week, and this is suggesting rainfall amounts of about 1/2 inch for much of north and west Alabama, with amounts of 3/4 of an inch near the Mississippi border. The heavier totals back off to the west. And again, we think there is a reasonable chance much of the state will have a chance of getting 1 inch of rain early next week, Monday and Monday night, as you'll see. And quickly, the watch warning map. That's amazing. This is mid-November. Traditionally, there's some major storm system somewhere, but it's basically quiet as a mouse around the nation. This is the OZGFS, the Global Forecast System, valid at 1 o'clock today. Ridging over the east, big trough out west. And down below that, another beautiful day today. Lots of sunshine, a big warm-up. Many spots will climb 40 degrees. The GFS is showing 77. The NAM is showing 78 today. Tomorrow looks good. Same deal. Start the day mostly in the 40s, wind up in the mid-70s. Great night for high school football playoff games tomorrow night. Now, for Saturday, again, part of the western trough lifts up toward the Great Lakes. Part of it hangs back. Down below that, a surface boundary approaching from the west at midday. The showers could be in places like Little Rock and Memphis and Shreveport. We think the day Saturday will be dry. And Sunday, the front just loses its upper support. It just fizzles out. Having said that, there could be a few widely scattered showers on Sunday, but we don't think it rains very much. But we note that bigger batch of rain organizing over Texas, and then Monday, you can see the trough re-energizes to the west. And a pretty good batch of rain moves through here Monday. This run a little faster than recent runs, but no doubt this is suggesting a pretty good rain event for Monday and Monday night, with potential for 1 inch of rain. And then by Tuesday at midday, the rain is gone. And again, we'll just kind of trend in that direction and hit the rain the heaviest Monday and Monday night, and say rain ending early Tuesday. And then Wednesday of next week, we're dry, no really cold air, cool but not cold. And Thursday, a week from today, will be dry as a bone. That's the 18th. Again, we'll go out a little farther on the 23rd. The GFS, after earlier showing us some really cold looks and wet looks, has kind of backed off on that, and it's got everything more zonal. And it keeps the really cold air bottled up in Canada. No doubt some very cold air is building up there, but that kind of look will not allow it to drop south. There's a short wave approaching from the west, and that would bring some chance of rain in here at that point. And then at the end of the forecast on the 26th, again, ridging over Texas and the Gulf Coast, the polar jet is up north, and no cold air involved here. And again, the NAO is kind of negative, no real trend. It goes up a little bit. Below the neutral line goes slightly negative, but no big negative spike out there to suggest any major cold air dive coming anytime soon, at least a major cold air shot. But we all know that could change. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Each day there are new stories to tell about the people who live here and the place we call home.
All of the faces that I see, all of the places close to me, they're all part of all the best things about home.
Sharing your stories on ABC 3340, Alabama's news leader.